So Martin's here came over from Canada. We're going cruising in my Bel Air for a change. And here we are at Square Lake Road and Woodward, and this is Wednesday before the Dream Cruise. So we're gonna walk around, look at cars, see what's here, and we'll go from there. Yes. I'm gonna get some good video of this. Says that it was Elvis's car.
Oh yeah?
Telluride?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
A friend of mine had a 59 Eldorado Brits convertible. It was his first car.
Yeah.
Back in '76 is when he had.
Oh my.
Yeah.
But I wish you still had it.
It recently, I think he said it recently sold for like $250,000, something like that.
I've seen the 59 Britzes bring over 400,000.
Wow. The joy of cleaning. Look at how spotless that is. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful car. Oh, you're just making noise, no go. I was hoping.
Oh, the one right here? Hey.
I'll just get some random video here for everybody. Quite a number of Cadillacs here, isn't there? The pink one. This.
Yeah, this is a 60.
We saw this out the other day, 49 Ford. I actually like that color.
Video, right?
Yes.
Okay, I thought so.
Yeah, I like the color of that. I actually like this too. Four-door sedan.
Look at her.
I like the colors. Check that out. That is so awesome. It's got a 4-barrel Holly on a 235 with dual outlet headers. There's the vacuum advance. Moves the whole distributor. Yeah, this is worth videoing. Yeah, it's a little crazy out here right now. This is something, isn't it?
This is nice. Look at it. Wow.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful car. And you know what? It's a 4-door sedan.
Yeah.
Somebody.
And I'm not a big Tri-5 fan because you see so many, but
Yeah.
there are exceptions to the rule when you see some really ones worth looking at. Oil line for the head. Yeah, super nice. I like this too, 67. Shows 37,000 on the clock. I wonder if that's original. I mean, look at the seats. I bet it is. We'll check the Seville out. We passed that on the way up here. He almost lost it. I think this red car, I'm wondering if it's, he was like he was gonna pop a wheelie, but I guess not. Well, I like that 63. Yeah, you can see, oh, look at this old Ford. 37, 30, I'm gonna guess 37. All right, back to this Cadillac. Now that we're done with the craziness out there on Woodward.
Did they have vinyl roofs in 57?
Yeah, I think that was,
Did they?
They did that, yeah. It's a Cadillac.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
There you go.
Well, it looks like the engine has quite a bit of aluminum on it. The original engine would have been aluminum block.
I got one.
So that guy that wanted to buy my 59, so he made this window so it goes down too. So
That station, is that window stationary?
yeah. So I don't know how he did it, but he took the pillars out of the four-door and used one of these cars to make it a pillarless four-door sedan.
Where did the door get the support? If it was,
It's, the frame doesn't give it any support. The B-pillar will give you support, but they beef up the rockers and stuff on these when the B-pillar's gone. He was the guy that had that Imperial that you saw in my last video. That
yeah.
he was trying to buy my Bel Air so he could...
You've had that Imperial in your
Yeah, in
videos
past
before.
videos, yeah.
I thought so.
Yeah, I've talked to that guy a bunch of times. Really
Yeah.
nice. It was a younger guy driving it, and somebody said that he'd sold it.
Yeah.
I don't know if he passed away or what, but or just got too old. He was older than me. Here you go, Dave. Although yours didn't have the little window there. Yeah, this, my friend Dave from up in Memphis had a 54 that he restored in his backyard with his dad. And it was just kind of this blue too. His grandpa had made wooden running boards that were just absolutely stellar, and a wooden rear bumper. They were just amazing. Yeah, neat old truck. I like it with the black fenders. That looks good. I would have painted the girl white though. And this blue with that black and that blue.
Yeah.
And the bumpers I'd have chromed. Maybe get the grill chromed.
But the truck's dead.
Alright. You gotta check this out because this is an original unrestored truck. It's got a granny gear 4-speed in it. Wow. No rust up there where they all rot out. This almost looks like a camper special. It's a 3/4 ton, but it looks to me like an 8.5 foot box, doesn't it to you? Got a little damage, but I mean, it's a Survivor. It's awesome. I love it. So this car is obviously not from around here. So now we got a Missouri plate. You'll see probably 30, 40 plates from other states during this Dream Cruise. Oh, and this is a 4-speed too. Smells like varnished gas, doesn't it? smells bad of varnish gas. I wonder if this is a Survivor too. It looks pretty original. Yeah, I don't think this car has been restored.
No, you don't. What about the paint job? You think
Maybe the paint, but I don't know. You can see touch-ups,
Yeah.
and I don't really see, yeah, you can see a mask line, so it's been repainted. Yeah, and you can see where it oversprayed in the fender here.
Oh yeah.
And here, they didn't take the cowl off. See, I always take them apart so you can get paint in those joints.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Look here.
This is a mask and spray is what I call it, and they just mask the car off and spray it. So you can kind of see here too some flaws. So that's a mask and spray, but still, you know, it could have been done 30, 40 years ago, 50 years. I mean, that car is clean. Palace Super Sport with a 4-speed that has nasty varnish gas in it. Anyway, that's what it smells of.
Ram 3 GTP, put a bigger whale tail on it. That's the stock spoiler for it. I use it for a front end stabilizer. Chin spoiler. Yep, it works great. We like it. Thanks.
Just around 15 mile, and it's stop and go all probably like this 13 mile. We're not hot yet. It does take a while for this thing to heat up. But yeah, it's nuts out here, no doubt about it. There we go, 32 miles and then a little extra because we did partial another lap. But yeah, it's 9 o'clock and we left at what time? About 6?
Oh, I think it was
5,
closer to 6:30.
6:30. Okay.
Oh, from the restaurant.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
I
it
meant
was
from
close
here.
6:30.
We left
Oh.
here. Yeah.
Oh.
But anyway, the car got a good run. So again, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up icon. If you like my channel, hit that 348 engine icon that powers this old ride. That'll help you subscribe. And thank you for watching my video.